In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to your Wix website. This is a fantastic way to reach a broader audience by catering to different language speakers. Let's dive in and make your site multilingual. Start by heading over to studio.wix.com. Once you're there, log into your Wix account and open the website project where you intend to add the multilingual feature. This is your working canvas, and we're going to transform it into a more inclusive platform. The next step is to enable the multilingual feature. Direct your attention to the left-hand toolbar, which is intuitively designed for easy navigation. Here you will click on the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, find and select Multilingual. This initiates the setup process. Click Get Started to begin bringing multilingual magic to your site. Now it's time to choose your main language. This is the language that your site was originally built in. Typically, it will be the dominant language of your target audience. For example, if your site is primarily in English, then English will be your main language. Setting this is crucial because it forms the base from which all translations will be made. With your main language set, it's time to add secondary languages. Click on plus add language and browse through the impressive selection of over 180 languages available. Whether you need Spanish, French, German, Japanese, or countless others, Wix has you covered. When you select a language, Wix will automatically generate copies of your pages ready for translation. To make language switching a breeze for your visitors, you need to add a language switcher. Navigate over to your website header, then go to Add Element. From the list, choose Multilingual and then select Language Switcher. Customize it to your liking. It could be a drop-down menu or a button. This element is crucial as it allows visitors to instantly switch between languages, enhancing their user experience. Now it's time to translate your content. You have two options here. You can opt for Auto Translate, where Wix will automatically translate the text on your site. Keep in mind, you can refine these translations later for improved accuracy. Alternatively, you can manually translate all the pages. This option lets you edit each page's text, images, and even SEO tags in the new language, giving you full control over the nuanced meaning of your content. Once you have set up everything, preview your site. This step is vital. It allows you to test switching between languages and ensure everything looks seamless and operates smoothly. When you're happy with how it functions, click Publish. Congratulations, your live site now proudly supports multiple languages, enhancing its accessibility and appeal to a global audience. Happy creating.